We begin with some very good news, an exciting milestone in the fight against the coronavirus. Today, half of all adults in America are fully vaccinated. More than 60% of the adults in the U.S. have had at least one shot, and there's also been major progress in vaccinating kids. Studies show the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines are safe and 100% effective in kids as young as 12. But some parents are still nervous about the shot. Our lead national correspondent, David Begnaud, is in Los Angeles, where officials just launched a program to vaccinate kids at school. David, how's it going so far?
Slow, I got to be honest. When we came to this school in downtown Los Angeles yesterday, there were only 2 kids in line, and the organizers were kind of disappointed. By the end of the day, they had vaccinated, I'd say, about 230 people. Now, here at LAUSD, the school system, they're planning to do over 13 days vaccination clinics at 250 schools. And as you said, it's not just enough to get the kid to say, I want the vaccine. You got to get mom and dad to approve. And that's not always easy.
That's it.
All right.
Did you feel that at all?
No.
See?
It is back to school for Dr. Jerry Abraham.
It's your dad?
Now that kids ages 12 and up are eligible for the vaccine, Dr. Abraham has partnered with the LA School District to get students the shot. But his latest vaccination campaign has a unique challenge.
We've definitely had very difficult conversations with moms and dads about why their kids should be vaccinated. We hear the microchipping. We hear that you're going to grow a tail, become a mutant. It's going to affect your reproductive organs. I mean, just none of those things are true.
So, to help combat that misinformation, Dr. Abraham helped to launch a canvassing effort called Get Out the Shot. They go door to door across various communities to educate people and get them registered for the vaccine. Now, this effort is a far cry from the early days when the vaccine was first available. That's when Dr. Abraham's South LA clinic called Kedron Health was overwhelmed with vaccine demand.
That was the easy part. Now you've got students who really want it, because it can mean getting to join the basketball team or getting to go to a Clippers game or to the movies. But now your parents are saying, we don't have enough information. It is really heartbreaking to see someone who wants to get vaccinated and then they're not able to because their family doesn't want them to.
He told us about one of those young people, and we went to meet him. 17-year-old Giovanni Baltazar. He's helped to canvass for Dr. Abraham with Get Out the Shot. He even signed up some of his peers. But when it came time to get the vaccine, Giovanni's mother said no. And not even Dr. Abraham could convince her otherwise.
She was kind of afraid of me getting the vaccine because of the side effects.
How long did it take to convince your mom to allow you to get it?
Well, it took a couple of weeks, 2 weeks. We talked to my doctor about this and got a green light from my doctor, so now my mom's in.
Mom's in?
Yes, sir.
Black, brown, yellow, or white, your vaccine, your choice, but you have questions, and everyone has a right to have their questions answered. We believe it is in your child's best interest, in our community's best interest, that everyone over 12 who has no medical contraindications gets vaccinated. That is what we know.
Right now, kids are getting the Pfizer vaccine, but Moderna is about to get added to the mix. Moderna is going to ask for emergency use authorization very soon. According to Moderna, its adolescent trials have shown that the vaccine is 100% effective in kids ages 12 to 17. Gayle?
All right, 100% effective, normally a very good thing. Thank you very much, David.